Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you Baby's Stone Crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is made with this creative Bible artwork. Tell us lovely stories using only stone and small tree branches. Two smooth Babel become a couple sitting quietly on a handmade wooden bench. A small branch become a tree with tiny pebbles from the leaves. A single round stone in the corner look like the sun or the moon, creating a clean outer scene. And viewers, what makes this artwork so special is its simplicity. Without drawing for face or adding many details, its expression, friends, love, peace, and togetherness. Sometimes simple design can tell the most beautiful story. You can create many different scenes using the same ideas. Make a family sitting together, children playing in a park, a friend enjoying nature, or even a couple watching the sunset. Each design become a personal artwork. And friends, viewers, the best part is that no two stones are exactly alike. Their different color, texture, and shapes make every project unique and full objective. And viewers, friends, viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and